Time here in Cyprus. Cyprus time is 5:31 in the afternoon, and I am here in the bus station going to my partner's place. I will say something facts about European country, and based on my experience, like compared to the Philippines, disclaimer, I don't want to hurt somebody. It's just a facts that I need to tell to anyone, especially to those who are not yet coming here in Europe country or European countries. In Philippines, some of the men's, they are normalized to ask a number or to ask a name to those women that is really beautiful, or those women that they see that is very attractive. So in Philippines, it's normal to ask the number or excuse me, can I know your name, like this and that, so on and so forth. But here in European countries, especially here in Cyprus, it's not gonna be work like that. It's not gonna work. Oh my god. For them to ask a name to that woman that is very attractive, or it's like beautiful for man's eyes, it's very rude. You're a very rude type of a man if you're asking to that woman for her number or her first name, and you're trying to flirt with her. It's like rude here in European country. I don't know if most of you will agree on this one, but for me, as I have my experience, most of the men here, they're not doing it. Because for them, it's rude to ask the name, to ask the number, if they like the woman that is a stranger woman, if they touch from their attention. But in Philippines, yes, it's normal to hi beautiful, and sometimes they whistle like like that. But yeah, it's a little bit rude also in the Philippines, but they do it like normal for them, especially for the men. Anyway, that's it. I'm here in Larnaca, Cyprus. It's a little bit busy here, and I think the bus will come 6 o'clock, so I have 30 minutes left to wait for the bus. So this is really happening at the moment. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye.